House. No, house. Take a pad and lay down chords. This is a 1 and a 4 and a 6. Take these bass notes and add a bass line. Now let's add a synth. Not yet. Too early. We're going to fade this in. Now we're going to really build this up. Using that drum build-up loop and fading in this lead synth melody. Add a low pass filter and automate the cutoff. We can also add some distortion for the riser. Now all we need to do is add some drums for the drop. I've taken this drum loop and some transitions. And that's how you house.